Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to dismiss heroes and Watcher of Realms. Dismissing heroes and Watcher of Realms is easy and can be done either during placement or after a hero is already on the battlefield. If a hero has already been placed, simply tap on that hero to open their options, then press the option showing a running figure. This will dismiss the hero and remove them from the field. If you are in the process of placing a hero but realize it's in the wrong spot, you can cancel the placement before confirming. Just hold the hero over the incorrect block, then press the X button below the character. This cancels the placement without triggering cooldowns, allowing you to place the hero in a new position immediately. Using this method lets you manage your team more effectively, repositioning heroes strategically during campaigns or battles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.